Mandelbrot SMS is a real-time SMS messaging service, so you can have conversations with your customers or your teammates on this app. You don't have to poll. You don't have to use refresh scripts or scheduled scripts or refresh buttons. You also don't have to log into Twilio in order to provision your number or write any more code. It's all set up for you. Go ahead and buy a new number here. Let's buy a number from 630, and I want to look at all 20 of the numbers this time. So it's going to pull up 20 different phone numbers that I can choose from here. I'm going to choose the first one on the list there, 630-345-8379. So 8379. So it's going to provision that number for me automatically. Now I can immediately start messaging from that number by hitting the plus in the top right corner. I'm going to put in my cell phone number here, and then I'm going to start texting that from this second number, right? 8379 is the last 4 digits there. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that number. I don't have to provision anything else. I don't have to write any JavaScript. I don't have to even check on whether or not this is a cell phone number that I'm texting. Twilio does that for me. It costs a half a penny to start a new conversation if you have that enabled, but I love it. So I'm going to do hello, Sully from Mandelbrot SMS. So that should come up right away. Okay, yeah, and my iPad is linked to my phone, so it pops up right away. Now I'm going to message back, and I said this was conversational, so I'm going to message back the word conversational, and I'm going to throw in a couple emojis there as well. So there you hear it going from my phone, and now it's popped up conversational. So this is one of the things that FileMaker is really not built for, is changing what's on your screen. I can also do that when I'm actually in this conversation layout. I'm just going to send a balloon. Boom, there's my balloon. So I can mark that thread as read. I also, if I want to text from a different phone number, I have 2 different phone numbers, remember, that I have in here. If I want to release phone numbers, I just hit one of these X's. But I'm going to send a second message to this other number here, and it's going to come up in a different thread. So you'll notice up in the top left here, if I start the conversation from Mandelbrot SMS, then that button, it's a Twilio symbol, is going to be on the left. My cell phone number for both these conversations has a star next to it, and it's on either side depending on who messaged who first. So I'm going to go ahead and relabel this thread Sully 2, and now I have these 2 different ones. I'm going to mark that as red. Now you can also, of course, you can filter, you can sort messages, and you can release phone numbers. So I'm just going to release this number here, release the number, I'm going to release it, and I'm going to delete all the conversations that are attached to it. So now I have this nice clean thing. This is the message that I'm working with. So I know you guys are going to really enjoy using this product. It comes completely unlocked. So all you have to do is sign up for a free Twilio account, drop in your credentials into the app, and you'll be ready to go. You'll be able to integrate this directly with any FileMaker application that is already cloud hosted. Thanks for playing. I know you'll really love this product.